In your notebook, I want you to draw your two parallels and a transversal. And I want you to find we'll say the angle in bold. I don't know how to bold stuff. So you're not necessarily solving for x. Well, you are, but then we're going to apply it to solve for the angle in bold. Okay? So on chat, what are these two angles? What would be the angle pair name? Nice. Delaney, what angle pair did you say these were?
Same side interior.
Awesome. So we know same side interior are going to be what? Supplementary or congruent? Now, don't get distracted by the fact that these are the exact same thing. But are same side interior angles supplementary or congruent? Anybody can answer.
Supplementary.
Very good. So in order to solve for x, we're going to do x plus 96 plus x plus 96 equals 180. So what I want you to do, solve for x and then tell me the measure of that angle. And then put your answer on the chat feature. Don't forget, you're not telling me what x equals, you're telling me what the angle x plus 96 is. Good catch, JC. All right, so if this is my equation, Avery, what would be my first step?
Combine like terms.
All right, and what would that give me?
2x plus 192
Very
equals
good.
180.
Perfect. Trevor, what would I do next?
Subtract 192 from both sides.
Beautiful. And that's going to give me what?
Minus 12.
Very good. And then, Emma, what do I do next?
You divide 2x by each. Well, 2 by each side.
Beautiful. So x equals -6, and then we plug it back into x plus 96. So our answer should be 90. Thumbs up, sideways down. How's that going? All right, cool beans. Let me draw you another one. All right, I want you to find the measure of this angle, the bold angle. Nice job, Alex. Avery. Good job, Delaney, Michaela, Alexa, Emma. Ashlyn, Alyssa, Xavier, nice job. Alani. All right, nice job. So you guys did a great job. So when you added them together, we should have gotten x equals -9. Do you agree? And then when we plugged that into our missing angle, it's going to give us 80 degrees. Thumbs up, sideways down. Cool. All right. Can't see the problem. Okay. I want you to tell me what this angle is right here. Oh, wait. Nope. I wish I could just write something correct. It's down there. It's that guy instead. I do apologize. Think about what kind of angle pair those are. And how would you solve for x and then solve for the angle measure 5x plus 10. Nice job, girls. Answers are looking good as they come through. Nice job, Xavier. So we can look at these and know that these are corresponding angles, and corresponding angles are going to be congruent. So when we set them equal to each other, it would be 6x equals 5x plus 10. Subtracting 5x would leave me with x equals 10. And then when we plug it back into there, it would give us 60 degrees. Okay? So that is how you would find the angle measure. I think you guys are getting the hang of this, doing pretty well. So then you do not have to draw this, but make sure you're paying attention, and I'm going to do my best. So give me 1 second. Okay. Does everybody see? Everybody sees this? Okay. If this angle here is 54 degrees, what is that angle? Put that in the chat. Nice. So you guys got 36. All right. If this angle is 55 and this angle is 45, what is that angle? Ooh. Nice. Should have gotten 80. All right, here's a doozy for you. If this angle here is 120, okay, what is that angle? It's a doozy for you. Did you guys put your answer on the chat? All right, so if we look at our picture, we have an exterior angle here, and we know that our exterior angle is going to be the addition of the two opposite interior angles, or the remote interior angles. So if this is a 90 here, we know this is a 90, okay? So it would be 90 plus x equals 120. So then what would that make x? Somebody go ahead and give me the answer. Alani, what did you get once we looked at it this way?
I got x equals 30.
Very good. Because you have to look at where your exterior angle is, okay? Some of you just found this guy, which was your 60. Is that correct? And then we stopped there. Well, if we find 60 here, you have to use these two angles to find your third, if that's how you're going to do that, okay? So, I got a couple more. All right. If this is 57, what is that angle with the question mark? Think about what these three angles added together is going to give you. Because you have a straight angle right here. So you have 1, 2, 3 angles is going to equal what? Nice job. Some of you are correcting. Nice. It's going to be 33 degrees because we're going to do 180 minus 90 minus 57 equals 33 degrees. Okay, nice job. I got one more for you. So, if this angle is 40 and this angle is 140, and what does that make that angle? So I might start here with these three angles, find this angle, and then try to continue. Make sure you put your answer in the chat. I'm getting a couple different answers here. All right, so if we were to look at these three angles here, we would have 90, 40, and a missing angle would be 180. So I'm going to do 180 minus 90 minus 40. That gives us 50 degrees right here. And you can do this multiple ways. You can either just subtract 50 from 140, or you could even say that this is 40 here. And if that's 40, then this angle right here has to be 90. Okay? So then from this, I'm going to ask you another question. So we got rid of our question mark. What is that angle? if we continue with this information that's on our board. I want you to find what is this angle right here. Alani, I want you to try one more time. Michaela, Alyssa, nice job. Ashlyn, have confidence. Emma, try one more time. You're close. Nice job. All right, so when we continue this, if we have a 90 here, right next to it is going to be 90. And if you notice, it's almost just a mirrored or a rotated. Alani, yes, nice job. So if this one's 90 and this one's 40, this one has to be 50. And because these are vertical angles, this one is going to be 50 as well. Okay? So then what is that angle? Nice. Very good. You guys are saying 40. So then what is this angle? Nice. That one's also 90. Sweet. So you guys are getting the hang of being able to solve through the puzzles to be able to look at the angle measures, see what pairs there are, things like that. So you guys are doing a fabulous job. I appreciate you coming on and doing Zoom with me. Tomorrow you're going to have a Google form, and it's about congruency, similarities, and being able to find missing angles, okay? I believe it's only set up to do it once. So if you get stuck on a question, I will be on Zoom at 12:15, okay? And I'll be here if you need me. If not, try your best, use your notebook, all that jazz, okay?
Did you say Google form?
Yeah. So I found a resource from another teacher, a math teacher, and she used Google Forms, and it's actually called a breakout room. And you can't move on to the next section until you get the answer correct. So it's kind of one of those, like, you have to continue to get it right. But then I took it, like I previewed it, and it just kind of does it like a quiz. So we're going to see how this works. But yeah, it's a Google form. People are brilliant in all that they do. Okay? Anybody have any questions, comments, concerns? Did everybody take that survey that I emailed you? Okay? I need you to do me a favor, and I need you to text everybody you know in the 8th grade and say, Mrs. Kennedy needs you to take that survey. Okay? I'm going to tell this to my science class that I'm going to have here in 30 minutes. The quicker we get those sizes in, the quicker I can get your t-shirts. Okay? Can't order them until I have all the sizes. So make sure everybody does that. Help me. Okay? I miss you guys. I appreciate you guys. Have a fabulous day. What?
Nothing. Just thought we would stay and talk to you if you had free time before the science. And
I do.
how are you?
I'm good. I'm a little lonely. There's nobody here. And my dogs just like eat everything. So that's kind of frustrating.
Yeah. Zach's been scratching my face.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, all these
Is he being
scratches on my
feisty
face.
or is it an accident?
No, like when we wrestle, he'll just scratch at my face.
Oh, you started it, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. What about you, Alani? What have you been up to?
Nothing much.
Yeah.
Well, my dad owns a an area of woods,
Mhm.
for us. People have cameras, outside of it, and they saw coyotes. So, and my dog always runs towards the woods, and so it's kind of scary.
Yeah.
He's like a little multi-poo, and so he thinks he's like a pit bull, and he's not.
That's hilarious. We have like a Facebook watch for like our road I live on, and some people have like hunting cameras out in the woods, and they'll catch like coyotes and foxes on it and like let us know. It'd be great. I bet my dogs would play with it. For sure. It's crazy. But then I saw like 5 hawks yesterday just like circling like up above my neighbor's yard, and I was just like, what's there? And they have corgis. So I texted them and I was like, make sure your corgis aren't outside. There's big hawks out there. So
What are corgis?
corgis are like these little fluffy things, and they have like the fluffiest little butts. Google it. Google a corgi butt. Corgi.
Okay.
Sorry if Mr. Freeze flags your computer for butt.
How is science work today?